So you might be in a position where for some reason your Instagram account is essentially not allowing you to invite Collaborator when you're actually going through and trying to tag other people and trying to, have a collaborated post essentially. Now, the main reason why this may be happening for the most part is for a few different things. And it's happening to me essentially with this account as well, but I do have it on my other account. And the reason for that is because, at least in my opinion, this account still is a fairly newer account with zero things pretty much set up within it. So what I would recommend doing is making sure you have somewhat of an established account, meaning that you have, followers, you have posts, you're posting actively, you have a website set up, you have, a description as well as a profile photo. So this is a classic case of an account, at least for my account, that pretty much will not get any of these types of features because, Instagram may assume it's a bot account or it's a spam account. So just make sure you've actually went through and set up your profile. As long as your profile is set up, you will be in a better situation to get this done. Now, another thing I've seen a few different times is that some people mention that if you don't have a business account or a professional account, you may not see this specific feature either. So what I would recommend doing here is clicking on the three lines above on your Instagram account. When you get into your profile, you want to click on settings. And what I would recommend doing here under account, which is right there, scroll down and you want to see if you can switch to either a professional account or if you want to add a new professional account. Essentially, if your account is a private account or you don't allow people to tag you, that can be another thing that can cause some issues as well. So you may just want to look into that specific option as well. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may want to double check is that if you're actually able to successfully invite a collaborator, but their posts or not posting or whatever, well, then they're probably denying the post. So you may just want to make sure that's not the case either. If that's still not working, you might just want to go ahead and try to see if your Instagram application has been updated. If it's not up to date for a long period of time, that can also be causing some issues. So just go through, click on the search bar, search up Instagram, and just go ahead and update that application. A lot of times that may end up fixing it too. It's probably the only other thing you have to do, and that might end up fixing it as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.